Entryway decor ideas to transform your space. The entryway is more than just a place to drop your keys and kick off your shoes. It's the first impression of your home and sets the tone for the rest of your space. A well-decorated entryway can create a warm and welcoming atmosphere, making your guests feel right at home the moment they step through the door. Let's dive into some creative and inspiring entryway decor ideas that will elevate your space and leave a lasting impression. Console tables for function and style. A console table is a versatile piece of furniture that can serve multiple purposes in the entryway. It provides a surface for decorative items like vases, candles, or a bowl for keys and mail. Choose a console table that fits the style of your home, whether it's rustic, modern, or traditional. For a cohesive look, match the console table with the other elements in the entryway, such as the lighting and wall decor. If space is tight, opt for a narrow console table or a floating shelf to save floor space. Rugs for comfort and color. Adding a rug to the entryway is a simple way to introduce color, texture, and warmth. A rug can define the space and make it feel more inviting. Choose a durable rug that can withstand heavy foot traffic and is easy to clean. Patterns and colors can add personality and style, while a neutral rug can provide a calm, cohesive look. Make sure the rug size fits the entryway. It should be large enough to cover the area but not so big that it overwhelms the space. Seating for convenience. A seating area in the entryway adds both functionality and style. A bench or a couple of chairs provide a convenient spot to sit down while putting on or taking off shoes. It also serves as a space for guests to place their bags or belongings. Choose seating that complements the overall style of the entryway. For added functionality, consider a bench with built-in storage to keep shoes, scarves, and other items neatly organized. Storage solutions to keep things organized. An organized entryway makes a great first impression. Incorporate storage solutions that help keep the space tidy and clutter-free. Use baskets, bins, or decorative boxes on the console table or beneath the bench to store items like shoes, umbrellas, and bags. Wall-mounted hooks or a coat rack provide a place to hang coats, hats, and bags. Consider using a small cabinet or a set of drawers for storing smaller items like keys, sunglasses, and mail. Greenery and floral arrangements. Adding plants or flowers to the entryway brings life and freshness to the space. A tall plant in a decorative pot can add height and visual interest, while smaller potted plants or a vase of fresh flowers on the console table can add a pop of color. Choose plants that thrive in low-light conditions, such as snake plants, pothos, or ZZ plants if your entryway doesn't get much natural light. Artificial plants are also a great option for adding greenery without the maintenance. Personal touches and accessories. Incorporate personal touches and accessories to make the entryway feel like a reflection of your home. Decorative trays, bowls, or dishes can hold keys and other small items. Candles or diffusers can add a pleasant fragrance, creating a welcoming atmosphere. Consider adding a decorative clock, sculpture, or a stack of books for added interest. These small details can make a big impact and make the entryway feel complete and personalized. Color palette and paint. The color palette you choose for the entryway can set the tone for the entire home. Light, neutral colors can make the space feel open and airy, while darker colors can create a cozy, intimate atmosphere. Consider using an accent wall to add a pop of color or a patterned wallpaper for added texture and interest. The paint or wallpaper should complement the other elements in the entryway, such as the furniture, decor, and lighting. Using nooks and crannies, make the most of every inch of space in the entryway, including those often overlooked nooks and crannies. A small alcove or corner can be turned into a functional and stylish space with the addition of a small table, a plant, or a piece of artwork. If space is limited, consider using wall-mounted shelves or hooks to utilize vertical space. These small additions can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of the entryway. Seasonal decor for a fresh look. Switching up the decor in your entryway with the